Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Kochi Pathar Jhol, that is Bengali Style mutton curry. It is a must-have recipe on Sunday lunch, especially for Bengalis. Let's get started. Take 750 grams of mutton and add half cup of curd, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3 tablespoons of onion paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. And marinate at least for 1 hour. Now add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a hot karai. When the oil is sufficiently hot, add 5 medium-sized peeled whole potatoes. Fry until they are golden brown. Now shift it to a bowl and keep aside. Let's add garam masala, that is 4 green cardamom, 4 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick. When nice aroma comes out, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Once it starts caramelizing, add 3 finely sliced large onions. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Fry on medium flame until golden. Now add the marinated mutton and stir fry on low to medium heat for at least 10 to 15 minutes until the oil separates out. Here you can close and open the karai with a lid time to time as required. Now transfer the mutton to a pressure cooker. And add 4 to 5 partially sliced green chilies, previously made fried potatoes, and 1 cup of hot water. Close the lid and cook on high flame until the whistle comes. Then make the flame low and cook for at least 15 minutes until the mutton is boiled enough. Switch off the flame and give a standing time of 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a bowl. Yes, Kochi Pathar Jhol, that is Bengali style mutton curry, is ready to be served with hot steamed rice. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.